Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer, stock number 6027. This ran from 07-2007 to 12-2017. It has a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory mag wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, one dent. Left rear door, one dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear taillight. Right rear factory 18-inch mag wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, one dent. Right front headlight. Right front guard, one dent. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, one dent. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.